This is the their so-called bird guard.
Mm-hmm.
This type of guard right here is no good because, as you can see, all it does is captures that length instead of releasing it, which is a major fire hazard right there.
Man,
Put it down there.
you gonna show him that when you're done?
Oh yeah.
Look at all that. Look at all that. Wow. Wow. That's why it's very important to get your dryer vent clean. Whoa. Let me step back. Woo. Look at all that dust. You see the dirt here. And this was in his dryer vent. Probably going into his house as well.